good evening. Indira Shah here. Today I'll be preparing mango rice. Okay, it is also in Kannada, it is called as Mavinkai Chitrana. For that, you need Totapuri mango, that is Girimuti Mavinkai, Kilimukku in Tamil. Okay, grate them. It should be very raw. In fact, I didn't get a very raw one, it was little ripe on the side. It's okay. Because you need to use only totapuri because totapuri has both sour and sweet taste. So grate it and keep it. Then you have to cook rice. You have to cook rice in such a way that each grain is separate. Okay? Neither it should be overcooked nor undercooked. And after cooking, cool it. Now for grinding, you need, here I have taken 2 totapuris. Okay? Now for grinding you need this is mustard. Okay, mustard, I have not fried the mustard, this is kacha mustard. Okay, so grind the kacha mustard first. See, I have grounded the raw mustard. Okay, this gives a very good taste. Now with that I have taken a cup of coconut. Okay, fresh coconut, and this is around 6 to 7 green chilies. You can take it according to the taste. You can also use dry red chili if you don't want to use green chili. Okay, now let me grind them. Do not add water while grinding. Now to make the masala for the chitrana or the mango rice, we call it as goju. Okay, so what you need is, see here, I have grounded the paste, that is first a spoon of raw mustard. Okay, then I have taken coconut and green chili. Okay, so now I have kept oil. Now let the oil become hot, then add mustard seeds. I am not adding haldi here, okay, because the mango itself has a light lemon yellow color. Otherwise you can add a little haldi also. Now let me wait for the mustard to splutter. This is the season where you can prepare this rice. You trust me, this rice will taste yummy. And in fact you can make this goju or the masala and refrigerate it. So whenever you want to mix rice, it will be easy for you to mix it. So now you add chana dal. Let the chana dal turn little pink. So next you need to add groundnut. You can also add cashew nut, but I am adding groundnut. Now add groundnut. I am adding asafoetida also. So the groundnut has turned pink. Now I'll be adding fresh curry leaves. Okay. Now you add this groundnut paste. See, I've added the groundnut paste. Just saute for about 2 minutes, not more than that. Now add the grated mango. Always use totapuri mango. Mix it. Now add salt. Now I am adding salt, the required salt, and jaggery. Okay, powdered jaggery. Mix it well. Again, cook this for about 5 minutes, not more than that. So this mixture you can refrigerate it in a container, airtight container. You can also freeze it, because this you can make it only during this season, otherwise you cannot make it. So I always do this mixture and keep it, or sometimes I grate the mangoes, add little salt, put it in the Ziploc and keep it. Now this mixture is ready to get mixed with the rice. Now I have removed half the quantity of this masala, because let me see how much this takes it. So now the oil is little less, so let me add oil. I have put off the gas, okay? Put off the flame. Now see here, the rice should be like this. Cook it like this. This is not undercooked or overcooked. And you should mix this right at least an hour before you consume, okay? Because it should get mixed. The rice should be able to take all the masalas. So it's not that you cannot just mix it and eat it, but it tastes more better when you mix it at least an hour before. You can also add turmeric. Here I have not added turmeric because the mango has its own good color. When you mix, don't put on a gas, okay? Put off the flame and then mix it. Let me add some more masala. This we call it as goju. The raw mustard with this really tastes so good. If you have not tried, please try this. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it today. And press the bell button, because whenever I make something like this, you will get a notification. Mango rice is ready. Let me just put it in the serving bowl. Here the mango rice or the mango chitrana is ready to be served. With this I also made a kheer, a payasam. This is chana dal and green gram dal payasam. If you really want the recipe of this, I'll certainly make it and post the recipe and upload it on my YouTube channel. So kindly subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. So enjoy the chitra anna. You will really love it. After preparing, after tasting, please let me know whether you liked it or not. Okay? So thank you for watching my channel. This is Indira Shah here. Bye bye.